In this video I'm going to show you how to share a Google Sheets link on WhatsApp. So what you need to do is basically go to the Google Sheets. Then after that click on share on the right top, and now you can see the people with access. Since I am the owner of the sheet, only me is visible in this list. Now if you would like to share it with people on WhatsApp, then you can select anyone with the link and then select the option viewer, commenter or editor, the one you prefer to do. So if you would like to people only be able to view the sheet, then select viewer. If you would like to have them place comments on it to improve it or maybe change it up, then use the commenter option. And if you would like to people be able to edit the sheet, then select the editor mode. And after that you can just copy the link and go to WhatsApp on your PC or send it to your mail, and then after that copy the link and send it on WhatsApp to people. And this is how you share a Google Sheets on WhatsApp. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!